Got kind of a special video today because it's something that I've been wanting to do. I have a big, bulky, low pro bag that I've been looking to kind of get out of since I kind of backed off of shooting weddings and carrying a lot of gear. And I wanted something that still could hold a lot, but be pretty travelistic, minimal, etc. And odd timing enough, Manfrotto sent me an email and said, "Hey, do you want to check out one of our newest bags?" And I said, as long as it's a rolling bag, absolutely. So let's check it out. But let me describe you. Let me just come clear with it. Manfrotto did send this big bag out for review, but they did not pay or compensate me in any way besides just the bag. So everything I'm about to say is opinion of my own, and you're gonna get a couple honest, points in there that some others might not say or so. So mumbo jumbo out of the way. This new bag from Manfrotto, the Manfrotto Advanced Rolling Bag 3, which I think is a 20 liter, actually wound up answering a lot of the needs that I wanted. And I think one of the big things too, but one of the main issues that my low pro bag had, and you've seen a lot of videos, and I'll have it in some B-roll here, is that when you look at it, even though it's mainly black, which I like because it's more sleek and stealthy, it also looks more like a camera bag in my opinion, more than like luggage or so. But this Advanced 3 bag literally doesn't give off any camera bag vibes, and you want that for security and stealth reasons and everything. The only way you would know is by the badge or the branding. If you know Manfrotto is, that's about it, or if you have a tripod on the side or anything. But the cool thing about this bag, it's minimalistic, it's stealthy, and the cool part is it is very travel safe friendly. It fits perfectly in your overhead. So very easy to bring, and I like a couple grip options. You got the normal one at the top. You even have one at the bottom, so that way if you want to hold, do everything like that. And also, as expected, it's a rolling bag, so you have your handle there as well. So pretty cool, pretty easy, and a pretty well-built bag. The wheels are not cheap. They're a very nice material. They're a very nice material as well. They're pretty sturdy, but like I said, this is kind of like an impact built kind of bag. Like it's not cheap, which is very nice. And the cool part is it's also water repellent, not resistant, water repellent. So if you're outside, your bag really won't get damaged. And it even comes with a rain cover as well. But as a lot of bags do, if you look kind of on the side too, there's a place you can put and tuck your tripod. So you can put your tripod in here, carry it around either side, different kind of bags, put a water bottle in, etc. Once again, it's a very minimalistic bag, so you don't have a lot on the outside, but take a quick look on what's on the inside. So you see, as soon as you open it up, it's just two zippers that zoom that go lengthwise. You get these two clips that can also help the back or the front flap kind of stay up as well, so it's also not always flopping over. Just a cool little feature that they threw in there. You can unclip those or clip those back in. You have a spot at the top. You have the slot where you could put in up to a 15-inch laptop, which most laptops are, I guess. But I like to put in my iPad, so I put my iPad in there. It all fits perfectly well, and it's protected because, once again, the material on the front is impact kind of resistant as well. So you get some protection there. And then you look towards, obviously, the meat of the entire bag. Like I said, it's about a 20-liter bag, so you could carry several lenses, several flashes, several camera bodies. And they have these end guards, which is basically helps more increased shock resistance. So if things jostle around, it could take more of an impact. Once again, it seems like it's a very minimal impact shock bag. So it's really, really cool. But as always, these are all Velcro. You could take them out. It's fully customizable. Even the bottom you can take off of it. You could take all these dividers out, even make it just a travel bag. Just put clothes in it, and you could strap it down, etc. The one thing I will say though is the bottom. It's got some decent material, but it is a little harder. So I wish it was a little bit softer. So if you're worried about that, something to keep in mind. But if you want to protect more your camera, especially near the top where your camera might go, if you have it set up like that, they have one or two of these squishy blocks in here that have Velcro that you can put down. If you're really worried, you can set your camera on that, and it'll be pretty much safe that way as well. So I wish the bottom had a touch more padding than it has. It's kind of thin, but everywhere else, very, very comfortable. So you have that in there as kind of a safety thing as well. Just something to keep in mind. You also have on the top flap right under your laptop thing, you have 2 zipper pouches. You have a larger one, which can hold a bit more at the top, and then a smaller zipper compartment as well. So the bag, it's a rolling bag. So I think it comes up to $230. It's the Manfrotto Advanced Rolling Bag 3. And like I said, it ticks a lot of the marks that I wanted. It can still hold a lot of my gear, pretty much what almost my old bag had, even though it's definitely bigger. But it is something that I would definitely recommend. If I didn't, I wouldn't be sharing it, because anything I share is opinion of my own. And if I recommend it, I want to give that value to someone else, and I wouldn't just do it. Like I said, they didn't pay me to talk about this. They gave it to me. I could simply not make a video about it either, or say it's really bad. Like I said, the only really bad part of this is just that, or not even bad part, it's just I wish there was a bit more padding at the bottom on the inside, besides just having 1 or 2 kind of foam blocks to make up for it a little bit. But I would still feel safe putting my gear in there. But $230 bag, cool for this time around the holidays. If you're looking to gift someone for something, like I said, it's about 20 liters or so. But yeah, the biggest thing for me is that it doesn't look like a camera bag. It just looks like part of your luggage, which, like I said, you could treat it as mainly luggage too, but it's very minimal and simplistic. This is the Manfrotto Advanced Rolling Bag 3. Definitely worth a check out. If you want to check it out a little bit more in depth, check the link down in the description below. Take you to Manfrotto's website and you can look into it a little bit more. But Rolling Bag 3, I give it 3 thumbs up.